How to use EveryDollar app. Firstly, head over to your App Store or Play Store and search for EveryDollar. If you can't find the app, then you can come to your web browser and type in EveryDollar app. Since it's not available in my country, I cannot download this, but let me show you how you can use this app effectively. Go back to your web browser. If the app is not available on your country or region, then you can use the website. There are three main steps that you'll need to follow in the app. The first one is to enter your income. After logging in, you need to add your expected earning and your income will display in the planned section. The next step is to plan your expenses. The amount you have entered in the planned section will contribute to your expenses. While planning your expenses, you need to keep in mind of your planned section. Once these two steps are done, then you can track your spendings or earnings. There's a premium version also on EveryDollar, or you can use the free version where you can manually add the transactions. So this is how you can use your EveryDollar app efficiently. That's all for today. Thank you.